Well, here at the San Francisco Juvenile Justice Center, there were far more reporters than relatives of the suspects in attendance. Now, the boy's attorney says the media ordinarily wouldn't pack a courtroom if the victim wasn't a professional football player.
The only reason you're here talking to me is because Mr. Pearsall's a 49er. I mean, let's be honest about that.
Deputy Public Defender Bob Dunlap says the 17-year-old boy he's representing had no idea the victim he allegedly tried to rob in San Francisco's Union Square was 49ers receiver Ricky Pearsall.
I don't want the media presence in this case to warp the trajectory of what would normally happen in a case like this. I just don't think there should be a different outcome.
Cameras were not allowed in court when the boy made his first appearance at San Francisco's Juvenile Justice Center. His parents sat in the audience, and his mother listened to the proceedings with the help of a Spanish language interpreter. The boy is a high school senior in Tracy. He showed no visible emotion as the judge read the charges, including attempted murder, assault with a semi-automatic firearm, and attempted robbery. Authorities say the boy confronted Pearsall near Geary and Grant in Union Square on Saturday and tried to rob him. During the confrontation, Pearsall was shot in the chest, and police say the teenager ended up getting shot by his own gun.
He was shot, yes. He was shot through the left arm. Similar to Mr. Pearsall's injury is what we call a through and through.
The attorney says his client regrets the incident overall.
He's very sorry, genuinely, that this did happen, as is his family.
He also said the case should remain in juvenile court and not be transferred to adult court.
My client certainly should be treated as a juvenile. He is a juvenile. It's very rare for transfer to occur.
A day earlier, San Francisco DA Brooke Jenkins made clear prosecutors can no longer directly charge a teenager as an adult, and that her office will decide later whether to ask a judge to consider if the teen is fit to be tried as an adult.
Going forward, my office will review the case more closely to determine whether or not we will seek that fitness hearing.
KTVU legal analyst Michael Cardoza says juvenile court judges have considered scientific evidence
that show that young people's minds, their brain, does not develop fully, and that's the frontal lobe, until they're 23, 24, 25.
The boy's attorney says he's glad his client and Pearsall have survived their injuries.
You know, I would love nothing better for this story to end with him catching the winning touchdown pass in the Super Bowl, hopefully against the Chiefs.
Now, Judge Roger Chan ordered the 17-year-old boy detained here at San Francisco Juvenile Hall. The boy will return to court on Tuesday. Live in San Francisco, Henry Lee, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Henry, thank you.